Hey Daniel, good morning to you. You look very bright and happy today. Did you have a good sleep last night?
Hey, Emma. Good morning. Yes, I feel fantastic. I had a very deep sleep, and I woke up feeling full of energy. And hey, Emma, I have to ask, did you get my message this morning?
Oh, Daniel, yes I did. I got it exactly at 7:15 a.m., right when I was opening my eyes. It was the very first thing I saw on my phone.
I'm glad. I wanted to make sure you saw that picture of the giant cup of coffee. That is my secret to a happy morning.
It looked delicious. But Daniel, wait a second. Our listeners are very smart. Did you notice something special in our conversation just now?
Let me think. We talked about sleeping. We talked about coffee. Oh, I see it now. We used a very, very common word. We used it 3 or 4 times already.
Yes, we used it without even thinking about it. It's a tiny word, only 3 letters. G-E-T. Get.
I asked, "Did you get my message?" And you answered, "I got it." We use this word every single day in almost every situation.
It's true. You get a message, you get home, you get tired, you get better. It is everywhere. And because it is everywhere, today we are going to master it together.
We're going to help our rebels understand the magic of get. This word will become your best friend in English.
But first, a quick message to our Rebel family. If you want to get better at English every week, please subscribe to our channel right now.
That's right. Go ahead and like this video, share it with your friends who are also learning, and please tap that bell icon. When you tap the bell, you get a notification every time we have a new story for you. You will never be alone in your learning.
Welcome to Learn English with Rebels, the podcast where Emma and Daniel help you learn English step by step. Simple tips, short lessons, and real conversations to keep you motivated. Let's get started and have fun learning English together. Learn, speak, repeat, repeat.
Topic Introduction. The shortcut word. Daniel, I want to be honest. Many of my students at the A1 and A2 level tell me that get is a scary word.
A scary word? Why is that?
They say, Emma, it has too many meanings. Sometimes it means buy, sometimes it means arrive, sometimes it means become. It's so confusing.
I understand why they feel that way, but rebels, listen to me. Get is actually a gift for you. Think of it as a shortcut word.
A shortcut. I love that idea. Tell us more.
Well, instead of learning 50 different difficult words, you can often just use get. It's a short word, it's very natural, and it makes you sound like a real person, not a grammar book.
That's so true. In daily life, we don't use big fancy words. We use get. So today we are going to go very slow. We will look at 4 main rooms for this word.
4 rooms. I like that. We will walk through each room together, step by step. No stress, no difficult grammar, just real English for real rebels.
Room number 1. Get equals receive. Messages, gifts, and emails.
Okay, Emma, let's open the first door. In this room, get means receive.
This is the most common way to use it. Imagine it's your birthday. You are sitting on your sofa and your phone is constantly buzzing. Zip, zip.
What is happening? You are getting messages. You are getting wishes from your friends.
Now, imagine if I said, I received a plethora of electronic communications this morning.
Emma, stop. You sound like a 100-year-old professor. Nobody says receive in a normal chat. It's too formal.
Exactly. We say, I get a lot of emails, or I got a present from my mother.
I remember last week my friend went to France. She sent me a postcard. When I opened my mailbox, I said, "Oh, I got a postcard from Paris."
I got a postcard. It means it came to you. You didn't have it before, and now you have it. You received it.
So, Rebels, let's practice this. If a message comes to your phone, you get a message. If a gift comes to your door, you get a gift. Repeat after me. I get a lot of messages. One more time, very clearly. Did you get my email?
Learn, speak, repeat, repeat.
Room number 2. Get equals become, the state of change. Now, let's walk into the second room. This one is very important for talking about your feelings. In this room, get means become.
This is for when your situation changes. For example, right now, I feel fine. I'm happy and I have energy.
But imagine we record this podcast for 5 hours without eating. What happens to your stomach?
Oh, I know. I get hungry. I change from not hungry to hungry. I become hungry.
It's like a transition. Think about the weather in the winter. At 4 p.m., it's light outside, but at 5 p.m., it gets dark. The world becomes dark.
And think about your body. If you walk in the rain, you get wet. If you sit near a heater, you get warm.
And my favorite use, feelings. When you hear good news, you get excited. When you wait for a late bus for 30 minutes, you get angry, or maybe you get frustrated.
I get tired every single night at 10:30 p.m. My brain starts to slow down. I am getting sleepy.
So, Rebels, remember, if a feeling is changing, use get. Let's practice a very positive one. Repeat after me. I get happy when I study.
And one more. It gets cold in the evening.
Room number 3. Get equals arrive, the destination. Let's move to the third room. This room is all about travel and moving from one place to another.
In this room, get means arrive or reach a place. Emma, let's talk about your daily routine. What time do you usually get to the office?
Well, I try to be early. I usually get to work at 8:45 a.m., but some days, if the bus is slow, I get there at 9 a.m.
And what about the end of the day, when the sun is going down and you are finished with work?
Oh, that's my favorite moment. I get home around 6:30 p.m. I open my door, I take off my shoes, and I relax.
Notice, Rebels, Emma didn't say, "I arrive at my house." That sounds like a news reporter on TV. The woman has arrived at her residence. No.
No, that's too stiff. In real life, we're casual. We say get home, get to work, get to the party.
You can even use it for the park or the grocery store. I get to the store before it closes.
So, anytime you reach your destination, just use get. Let's practice. Repeat after me. What time do you get home?
And another one. I get to work at 9.
Let's take a short break, Rebels. Take a deep breath. How are you feeling? Are you getting it so far?
If this slow, clear English is helping you feel more confident, then you are a true rebel, and rebels help each other.
That's right. So please subscribe to our channel. It's a small click for you, but it's a big help for us.
Like this video and share it on your social media. Let's help other beginners get better at English too.
And don't forget the bell. We have many more episodes coming soon about will, do, and does. You don't want to miss them.
Hey Rebels, welcome to Learn English with Rebels, the podcast where Emma and Daniel help you learn English step by step. Simple tips, short lessons, and real conversations to keep you motivated. Let's get started and have fun learning English together. Learn, speak, repeat, repeat!
Room number 4. Get equals understand, the aha moment. We have one more room to visit. This is a very cool room. In here, get means understand.
I love this one. You will hear this in every Hollywood movie. Imagine I am explaining a difficult math problem or a secret plan. Suddenly you understand it. What do you say?
I don't say I understand the logic. I just say, oh, I get it.
Exactly. I get it. It's like a light bulb turns on in your head.
And if you want to be sure your friend is listening, you can ask them, do you get it?
It's much more friendly than asking, "Do you understand me?" which can sound a bit like a strict teacher.
Do you understand the lesson, student? No, we are rebels. We ask, do you get it?
And if you don't understand, you can be honest. You can say, "I'm sorry, I don't get it."
Let's practice that. Repeat after me. Oh, now I get it.
Learn, speak, repeat, repeat.
Useful phrases box. The get list. Daniel, there are some special phrases with get that always stay together. They're like best friends.
Yes, these are phrasal verbs, but don't worry about the name. Just learn the meaning.
The first one is get up. This is what you do at 7 a.m. You leave your bed. I get up early.
The second one is get ready. This is when you put on your clothes and brush your teeth. I get ready for my day.
The third one is get back. This means to return to a place. I get back from my walk at 10.
The fourth one is get better. This is our favorite. It means to improve. Your English is getting better every day.
And the fifth one is get along. This means you have a good relationship. I get along with my neighbors.
Let's practice the best one. Repeat after Emma.
My English is getting better.
My English is getting better.
One more time with a big smile. My English is getting better. Now, rebels, we have to be careful. There is a small trap we need to avoid.
Ah, you mean the past tense.
Yes, if we are talking about yesterday, we don't say get. We change the letter E to O. We say got.
That's right. Yesterday, I got a message. This morning, I got up at 6 o'clock.
So get is for right now or for things you do every day. Got is for things that are finished.
And one more rebel tip. Get is wonderful for talking to friends, family, and colleagues. But if you are writing a very formal letter to a king or a queen, maybe use receive.
But for us, get is the king of conversation. We want to hear from you now. We are not just voices on your phone, we are your friends.
Learn, speak, repeat, repeat. We have 2 simple questions for you today. Don't be shy. Write your answers in the comments below.
Question number 1, what time do you get up in the morning?
Question number 2, what makes you get happy? Is it a good song, a cup of tea, a walk in the park?
Write your answer using the word get or got. For example, I get happy when I listen to this podcast.
We promise to read your comments. We love to see our rebels practicing.
We have reached the end of our get journey today. Daniel, how do you feel?
I feel great, and I hope our rebels feel great too. Remember, you don't need to learn every single meaning in one day.
No, just take one room at a time. Maybe today you only practice get equals receive. Tomorrow you try get equals become.
The most important thing is to keep going. Step by step, your English is getting better.
Thank you for spending your time with us. You are doing a great job.
Please subscribe, like, and share this video.
And hit the bell icon. In the next episode, we will talk about the words do and does. It's going to be very helpful for beginners.
Until then, keep smiling, keep practicing, and stay a rebel.
Bye, Rebels!
Bye for now.